Okay, good morning and welcome to this workshop. My name is Bamidis and I am the president of the Greek Biomedical Engineering and Biomedical Technology Society, and I welcome you to this workshop, which is organized together with the Lab of Medical Physics of the Medical School of the Aristotle University of Thessaloniki. It's a pleasure today to have with us a distinct group of speakers that are very specialized into the use of biomedical technologies for specific purposes. And these purposes are stemming from a field which is very new and very exciting as well. It's the field of living labs. You will see and hear all about it because we have called all the experts to talk about this field. But before that, and before introducing them, let me say a couple of words for the society and our lab. The Society of the Hellenic Society of Biomedical Engineering and Technology is quite an old society. It was founded back in the 70s. And it has been active for a number of years. It is consisting of researchers and academics and engineers working in industry and health domain, which deal with all aspects of the application of technology and engineering and science in general in the health domain, in the biomedical domain. It also incorporates a part of the clinical engineering, which is a distinct biotechnical field within the healthcare domain. We usually organize biennial conferences. Last year we had our last conference in Athens, and we welcome members which are either student members or full members related to activities of biomedical engineering and biomedical technology. And outside there is a booth where you can register if you want to become members of the society. We also have a number of workshops like this one, which we organize around Greece, and there is probably going to be another one in October in Athens about the strategies and policies of biomedical technology in the Greek territory. And also, as I said, biennial conferences like the one we had last year, and hopefully we will have it next year in Thessaloniki. A couple of words about the Lab of Medical Physics, which is also the oldest lab of medical physics in Greece. It was established back in the 60s, and it's been active in this domain since then. My team joined this lab 3 years ago, and we have expanded the number of activities and research projects that we do from the lab. One of them is related to assistive technologies and elderly healthcare, senior technologies, senior science, silver science as it is called. And much of what we do and we relate to will be linked to this workshop. You will see one presentation by one of our colleagues, Dr. Evdokimos Konstantinidis, who had this idea of today's workshop, and with his inspiration, most of the speakers were gathered to talk to us today. So let me go into the speakers, given the occasion, and say that we are happy and lucky to have with us a few speakers. One of them will be remote by Skype when it comes to a connection from Spain. But we also have with us speakers from Canada. It's a luxury to have Professor Eva Kehaya from Canada talking to us today. And